Leon allows adding duties not only for pilots and cabin crew, but also for the ground staff. The first step in order to enable this functionality is adding an aircraft ground to the section Fleet of the admin panel. In the editing page of this aircraft, type ground in the field name and then insert the registration number. Insert any value in the MTOW field, as this aircraft is free of charge, and then select Home Bases. Once the aircraft is added, go back to the admin panel. In the section Aircraft Crew Positions, choose the aircraft in the top right corner list. Then go to the tab Ground to enable crew positions for this aircraft. Mark checkboxes and click Update. Go back to the admin panel, open the section Users and select a ground staff crew member. Open the full edit section of the profile and in a tab Ratings, select the aircraft from a drop-down list. Leon will show the predefined crew positions. Mark the one that is needed and click Update. Now you are ready to assign duties to the ground staff. Go to the section Crew Calendar. The ground staff will be shown at the bottom of the list of available positions. We can use the filter to show only the ground staff on the screen. On the left-hand side, Leon will show ground staff's names, with duties to be added either in live or draft mode.